So it looks like we may be getting a new Xbox console this year, as Microsoft just registered a new Xbox dev kit in South Korea. Let's look into it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I know that everyone is busy talking about PlayStation 5 Pro right now, I mean fans and media, but we actually got a very interesting news regarding potentially new Xbox console, maybe even this year, right? So this is a semi-official news because we're talking about some form of registration that Microsoft actually made in South Korea. They registered a new Xbox dev kit, which means that we may actually getting some sort of a new console, maybe even this year. So there's an interesting tweet from Xbox News of Koreans on Twitter, obviously, and they say that Microsoft's new Xbox dev kit XDK console was certified by the National Radio Research Agency in Korea today. That news is like one day old, really. This means that you can use the dev device in Korea. So obviously, you know, Korea is only one of the places that Microsoft would have to do that, but I guess this is the first one they did that for. So anyway, this is the actual patent, or I mean the actual registration. As you can see, I mean most of it is in Korean, but you can see the kind of serial number 2089 XDK console by Microsoft Corporation. So, you know, Xbox Development Kit, that's what it stands for. I mean XDK console. Not sure what this RRMSK is all about. You've got Microsoft again, and you've got the registration date, which is 18th of March of this year. Now, just for reference, Xbox News of Koreans actually did find this registration too. So this is for original Xbox Series consoles, and that's why you've got actually two numbers, because one is for Xbox Series S, the other one is for X. Actually, there's three numbers, so I guess one is for like Xbox Series of consoles, and then you've got the distinction between these two models, I guess. And you've got like it looks pretty much the same. And the interesting thing is that they registered it in back in 2020 on 11th of June. And the console released around, November. So like 5 months later, I think. So, could it be that we may actually see this new device a little bit earlier? Could be possibly. And to be honest with you, I'm sure most of you remember the Xbox 2 podcast where Phil Spencer, Sarah Bond, and Matt Booty were addressing the future of Xbox concerns back in February. And Sarah Bond, and she's responsible for all things Xbox hardware, really. And she did say that right now they are busy working on a new Xbox hardware, and she did confirm that we will be getting some exciting news this year too. So I don't remember exactly if she said that we will see something in this December, or maybe the announcement will come this December. So that's actually still unknown. But if they are registering this device already, maybe we'll get some form of announcement, whatever that new Xbox device is going to be. We may actually see an announcement in June, E3 time, right? And who knows, maybe this new console will release later this year, right? Obviously, if I were to bet any money, that's probably Xbox Series refresh. Now people say, oh, but that wouldn't really make much sense because they talk about Xbox Dev Kit. But yeah, maybe. But you know, the thing is that maybe it's just naming convention, right? I don't think we're going to see any form of Xbox Series X Pro or XL, as I call that new console. I don't think that's happening. The registrations for are probably required because they may actually they might have changed the Wi-Fi connectivity. That's the thing they usually do, and that's why they have to register that with National Radio Research Agency, right? Because it's all about the Wi-Fi connectivity. I mean, listen, I'm just guessing right now, right? And you know, sure, you know, the actual numbers, I don't know what they mean necessarily. I guess if we, you know, if the first part of that console were similar, maybe, because people speculate that that's, you know, the numbers, the serial numbers are totally different to, you know, the original Xbox. I mean, yeah, I mean, they are totally different, that's for sure. But I don't know. I wouldn't really pay too much attention to that. If anything, because at first I thought, oh, Xbox Dev Kit. So did they made some changes to it? And I think, like I said, I think it's just about the you know, support for better Wi-Fi connectivity and that kind of stuff, right? So you know, that's my understanding of it. And but there's actually one more possibility, because I'm not sure if you remember, you know, the original FTC leak did confirm that they are planning some form of new controller that would not only come with you know, the PlayStation 5 Rumble, I call it like that, right? The haptic feedback and everything, but they also suggested in that document that it would have direct connectivity to Xbox Cloud. And if that's the case, you know, such controller, and you know, probably by wire, you know, via Wi-Fi, it would need some extra antenna. So maybe that's what it's all about. So, you know, if anything, I would be interested if they ever, I mean, they didn't really have to register previous controllers because, yeah, it's not working on Wi-Fi. But I mean, this is just speculation, right? So I'm not really saying that's really happening. But like, you know, we've heard in the past that, you know, that some form of slim models coming in. It makes sense. Whether that's this digital only Xbox Series X, I don't know, but looks like that's just one device. So, you know, looks like if that's just a refresh, looks like they are refreshing only one console. No, I would guess Xbox Series X, but I don't know. Like, either way, something new is coming, whether that's going to be a new controller with Wi-Fi connectivity to the Xbox Cloud, or maybe Xbox refresh, slim, digital only Xbox, I don't know. Either way, something new is coming and we're probably going to hear more about it very soon. For now, that's all I know about this particular device. That's the only information I got. I was trying to dig deeper a little bit. I've seen some people talking about it, but nobody really knows what it's all about, really. So there you go. So guys, that's the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about it. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will see you all in the next one. Take care.